just received the Sondiko powerful cooking torch that I'm going to review. Not a sponsor, by the way. This is just a pure review. And I'm going to do a quick unbox and show you what's on the inside of it, what it comes with. It comes with a gun. I call it a gun, but because it looks like a gun. It looks like a legitimate flamethrower. Almost looks like a small miniature flamethrower. Just look at this thing right over here. Look at it. That thing looks like a flamethrower. It looks like an even... Yep. So now all I gotta do is go ahead and buy the can, the propane can or the Bunsen burner can, and fit it on, and that way I can see if it actually works and does its current job. Now the only thing is, I'm a little disappointed in that it didn't come with the propane can, but guess what? It's understandable that it didn't come with its fuel supply, because shipping hazardous materials sometimes isn't allowed, and dangerous. So I am not disappointed 100%, but I will have to go buy the can to see how it works. Well, just stop by Home Depot to pick one of these up. They should fit that torch, no problem. Just pick one of these up and it's perfect. The big round ones, they will fit too, as far as I know, but in my opinion, the longer ones look way better. I mean, how much better can you get? It's only $6. All right, brought the can back. Time to see now if it fits. Hopefully it fits. If not, I'm gonna have to return this one and go to, or buy a different bottle. All right, there you have it, folks. It fits, so definitely could use one of these. I'm using the Burnzomatic for it. And this right here is to ignite, and this right here is to use this little gas fossil to ignite. So let's give this a try. Let's get it ignited. So just a tiny bit we're gonna open. As you can hear, gas is coming out, so just a little bit of gas to see if it works. There we go. That's what I'm talking about. Flamethrower. Yeah. And then turn it off. Just do that. That's pretty cool. Now let's see if we can go full blast with it. So over here I have quite a few items I'd like to start a fire and burning with. Let's see how well it's gonna catch on fire. Also, it's very simple to turn off. All you do is twist to the right. When you twist to the right, it turns off pretty quickly. There you go. Store away properly. Not canceled. Guys, I'm Eddie B. 2004 turn right. This particular package, driving attempt on the 6 Series.